This is graph of the function, and we are interested to find limits of function at different points. It's A part. Limit x approaches -2 from left hand side of the function f of x. Here when x approaches -2 from left hand side, here is an oscillation. Function is changing its behavior very quickly. So limit of f of x when x approaches -2 from left hand side does not exist. Next, limit x approaches -2 from right hand side of the function f of x. Here when x approaches -2 from right hand side, output function is decreasing without bound, so its answer is -infinity. Next, limit x approaches 0 from left hand side of the function f of x. It is 0, and when x approaches 0 from left hand side, the curve approaching to 0, so its answer is 0. Next, limit x approaches 0 from right hand side of the function f of x. When x approaches 0 from right hand side, curve is approaching to -1. So here is the answer, -1. Next, limit x approaches 2 from left hand side of the function f of x. When x approaches 2 from left hand side, function is increasing without bound, so answer of this limit is +infinity. Next, limit x approaches 2 from right hand side of the function f of x. When x is approaches to 2, the curve is approaching to 3, so its answer is 3. Next part, the vertical asymptotes. The vertical asymptotes are that vertical lines at which curve is either decreasing without bound or increasing without bound, right? So here are two vertical lines, x equal to -2 and x equal to 2. At x equal to 2, the function is increasing without bound, and x equal to -2, the function is decreasing without bound. As we have found limits in B part and E part, we can say the vertical asymptotes are at x equal to -2 and x equal to 2.